Do you feel insecure about your height? Do you feel envious when you see others taller than you? Well, that's okay, because I'm here for you. Today, I'll guide you through 5 steps to help you increase your height. First and foremost, height plays a crucial role in various aspects of personal and social life. Here are some significant aspects. Firstly, it boosts your confidence. If you pay attention, taller individuals tend to be more confident in communication and social situations. In some cases, height can impact social perception and career opportunities, with certain professions requiring specific height criteria, influencing people's choices. Additionally, height is related to physical fitness and health. Taller individuals also enjoy benefits in terms of strength and flexibility. There are many more advantages to having a good height, but the ones mentioned are some of the major strengths. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Step 1. Maintain an active lifestyle. The first step to enhance height growth is to maintain an active lifestyle. Regular physical exercise plays a crucial role in stimulating the development of muscles and bones. Activities such as swimming, cycling, and participating in team sports like basketball can enhance muscle flexibility, stimulate the production of growth hormones, and promote the process of height growth. Example: activities. Swimming. Swimming is excellent for overall body development. The various strokes used in swimming stretch the muscles and spine, promoting height growth. If you swim regularly, you may notice an improvement in your posture and a slight increase in height over time. However, without regular swimming, you might miss out on these benefits and retain a more slouched posture. Cycling. Regular cycling helps in stretching the leg muscles, which can contribute to height growth. Cycling regularly can help you develop strong, flexible leg muscles. On the other hand, not engaging in such activities might result in weaker leg muscles and less growth stimulation. Basketball. Playing basketball involves a lot of jumping, which helps in stretching the body and promoting growth hormone production. If you engage in basketball frequently, you may benefit from increased muscle flexibility and growth hormone levels. Conversely, avoiding such activities might limit these growth-promoting effects. Physical activities also contribute to improving blood circulation, ensuring an adequate supply of nutrients and oxygen to support the development of muscles and bones. It's important to note that physical activities should be performed regularly and integrated into the daily routine. Depending on individual health conditions, one can choose suitable activities such as aerobic exercises, yoga, or even participating in group sports. This not only helps increase height, but also creates comprehensive benefits for overall body health. Consequences of inactivity. If you don't maintain an active lifestyle, your body might not get the necessary stimulation for muscle and bone growth. This could result in slower height increase and potential health issues, such as poor circulation, weaker muscles, and decreased flexibility. Over time, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to other health problems like obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and poor mental health. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Step 2. Pay attention to nutrition. In the second step, paying attention to nutrition is crucial for the goal of increasing height. A balanced diet with sufficient calcium, vitamin D, protein, and essential nutrients is the key to supporting comprehensive growth. Nutrient-rich foods. Milk. A significant source of calcium, milk supports the development of bones and muscles. Drinking milk regularly can help strengthen your bones and promote growth. On the other hand, neglecting calcium-rich foods might lead to weaker bones and hinder height growth. Salmon. This high-quality protein source also provides vitamin D, aiding effective calcium absorption in the body. Including salmon in your diet can help ensure your body gets the necessary nutrients for bone growth. Without such sources, your body might struggle to absorb calcium effectively, slowing down height increase. Vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale contain numerous nutrients, vitamins and minerals, providing energy and supporting the growth process. Incorporating these vegetables into your meals can boost your overall health and aid height growth. Ignoring these foods might result in nutrient deficiencies, affecting your growth potential. Additionally, incorporating other calcium-rich foods such as soy milk, almonds, and dairy products like yogurt plays an important role in ensuring an adequate supply of nutrients for the body. This way, you can build a diverse and balanced diet, optimizing the chances of height increase while providing energy for daily activities. Consequences of poor nutrition. If you neglect proper nutrition, your body won't receive the essential nutrients required for growth. This can lead to slower height increase, weaker bones, and overall poor health. In the long term, inadequate nutrition can cause various health problems, including osteoporosis, stunted growth, and increased susceptibility to illnesses. Step 3. Maintain sufficient and regular sleep. The third step in the height growth journey is to maintain sufficient and regular sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in muscle recovery and stimulates growth, especially during the early night hours. During this period, the body releases growth hormones most vigorously, aiding in the regeneration and recovery of cells. Sleep tips. Comfortable environment. Create a comfortable and quiet environment in your bedroom. Adjust lighting and room temperature to support relaxation and deep sleep. Ensuring a cozy sleep environment can enhance the quality of your sleep and promote growth. Neglecting this might result in disturbed sleep and reduced growth hormone production. Limit screen time. Limit the use of electronic devices before bedtime, as screen light can affect your sleepiness. Avoiding screens before bed can help you fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. Failing to do so might lead to difficulty falling asleep and decreased growth hormone release. Regular schedule. Practice a consistent sleep routine and establish a regular sleep schedule to allow your body and mind to adjust and prepare for sleep each night. A consistent sleep schedule ensures your body gets enough rest, which is crucial for growth. Irregular sleep patterns can disrupt your body's natural growth processes. By doing so, maintaining adequate and quality sleep will positively contribute to the process of development and height growth. Consequences of poor sleep. Lack of sufficient sleep can hinder your body's ability to recover and grow. This can lead to slower height increase, fatigue, and poor concentration. Chronic sleep deprivation can also result in serious health issues such as weakened immune system, increased stress levels, and a higher risk of developing chronic diseases. Step 4. Relaxation and stress management. The fourth step in the height growth journey is relaxation and stress management. Emotions and stress levels can significantly impact the development process, so maintaining a positive mindset and relaxation play a crucial role. Stressful conditions can lead to a disruption in the development process, affecting the production of growth hormones and cell regeneration. Relaxation techniques. Meditation. Practicing meditation can help calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Regular meditation can create a sense of peace and improve overall well-being, which supports growth. Neglecting stress management might result in elevated stress hormones that can hinder growth. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Incorporating yoga into your routine can help maintain a balanced and stress-free lifestyle. Without stress management techniques, chronic stress can negatively affect your health and growth. Artistic activities. Engaging in artistic activities like painting, drawing, or playing a musical instrument can also help reduce stress and maintain a positive mood. Finding creative outlets can be therapeutic and beneficial for mental health. Ignoring these activities might lead to increased stress and anxiety, impacting your growth. Moreover, building a resilient, optimistic, and confident mindset is also crucial in facing the pressures and challenges in life. A positive mindset not only supports height growth, but also contributes to overall personal development. Therefore, to optimize the chances of height growth, prioritize relaxation and stress management, keeping your mood positive and ready to face any challenges at all times. Consequences of unmanaged stress. If you don't manage stress effectively, it can lead to hormonal imbalances that hinder growth. Chronic stress can increase levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that can interfere with growth hormone production. Over time, unmanaged stress can cause health problems like anxiety, depression, and weakened immune function. Step 5. Maintain proper posture. Finally, pay attention to maintaining a proper standing and sitting posture. Maintaining a correct posture helps maximize height growth and supports the health of the spine. Overall, these simple steps can increase your chances of height development and maintain a healthy body. Posture tips. Standing. Focus on standing upright with shoulders back and head tilted upward. This reduces pressure on the spine and encourages a strong bone structure. Developing the habit of standing correctly can improve your overall posture and potentially increase your height appearance. Neglecting proper posture might result in a slouched appearance and increased risk of spine-related issues. Sitting. While sitting, keep the back straight and well supported, avoiding leaning forward or slouching. Maintaining a straight back while sitting ensures your spine stays aligned and healthy. Poor sitting posture can lead to back pain and negatively affect your growth potential. Exercises. Performing exercises and stretching, targeting the spine and abdominal muscles, can further contribute to maintaining a healthy posture. Regularly engaging in posture-improving exercises can strengthen your core and support good posture. Ignoring these exercises might result in weak core muscles and poor posture. Developing the habit of maintaining a correct posture from a young age can bring long-term benefits to overall health, including the potential for height increase. By paying attention to posture, you not only increase the chances of height development, but also ensure the overall health and resilience of the body. These small yet impactful steps can make a significant difference in the journey of height development and overall well-being. Consequences of poor posture. If you neglect proper posture, it can lead to chronic back pain, spinal deformities, and reduced height appearance. Poor posture can also affect your confidence and overall health. Long-term poor posture can cause conditions like scoliosis or kyphosis, which are difficult to correct and can significantly impact your quality of life. A final reminder to all of you: having good height is a significant advantage, and that is entirely true. However, you should also appreciate your current height. Everyone has their unique beauty, so you shouldn't be overly self-conscious. Be confident, optimistic, and cherish your current self. The steps above are just ways to help you somewhat in height growth, but primarily, height is related to your genetic inheritance. So, when you successfully apply these steps and actually gain a bit of height, please share it in the comments below. Good luck to all of you. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.